Next dance in the program we learned on February the 3rd at the Phoenix Workshop was the Tehran Eeshkhan series. Sheikani, Ishkhani. The Assyrian Armenian dance that is Assyrian. First one is the Sheikani, and the second one is the Khaldi that I taught. Okay, the first Ishkhani, Sheikhani. Finger holds, right under, left over, don't forget the finger hold. Leader at the right, left center, right, left, right pause, double hop, back, back, and land on both. Second step, left foot goes, then right. Hands go up, hands go down. Your body goes down a little bit, and body goes up, and you turn on that sixth one. And the third step, left, step together right, step together left, close and finish. Hands come up. Center left, run, run, run with the double hop, back, back, land. Hands up and down. Hands up and down, hands up and turn. One left, cha, 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 and you cha, 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 and you left. Center with the 1, 2, 3 with the double hop, back, back, cha. Don't forget that double hop with the left doing that movement. Second step, left foot right, left foot right, left foot and turn. Left with the cha, cha, cha with the cha, 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 and land on both feet. Second part, second dance, is the Khaldi. Hands down, and you center 2, 3 with the double stamp with the right. Back on your right, hands stay down, touch your left toe. Left center with the double bounce on your left, kick your left leaping on your right, cross your left over, step right to the right, and close left to right. Hands stay down throughout. Left, one more time we try that, left 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 with the double stamp right. One back right, touch the left toe. Down on the left, you hop, hop, kick, step, step, touch. Center 2, 3 with the double right. Back on your right, touch your left toe. Center with the left, left, kick the left, cross the left over, travel to the right, and close. Let's do both dances with music. Ishkhani, first dance. Chaldean, hands go down 2, 3, and you double right. Go back with the touch and down with the hop, hop, kick. And center 2, 3 with the real close, shoulder to shoulder. Touch your left toe, down on your left, hop, hop, kick. Back to the Sheikani Ishkhani. And hands up, 1, 2, 3 with the hop, hop. Back to the left and left foot right. Left foot right, left foot right, left foot the 1, 2, 3. And doing a change again, hands go down when you go into the Khaldi. And stay down throughout. And you don't have to change so often. Do the step many times before you call the next step. Thank you very much. Sheikani Khaldi.